Mod is the most frequently occurring value. मीन्स हमने सीख लिया है 3 methods of mean. मॉड और मीडियन दूसरे सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी के मेजर्स हैं जो भी उस डेटा में मॉड इज द मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली occurring value. That is called the mod. Right? Now see example number 4. The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches. बॉलर ने 10 क्रिकेट मैचेस में कितनी विकेट्स ली हैं? 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. How many times is one occurring? One is occurring how many times? One time. यहाँ frequency 0 is occurring how many times? One time. 2 is occurring how many times? 3 times. 3 is occurring how many times? 2 times. Correct? 3 is occurring how many times? 2 times. 4 is occurring how many times? 1 time. And 5 is occurring 1 time and 6 is also occurring 1 time. Which is the occurring maximum number of times? Mod is 2 as it is occurring maximum number of times. ये सबसे ज्यादा बार occur करता है. It is occurring maximum number of times. So its mod is 2. Most frequently occurring value. सुन रहे हो विश? But if the data is grouped like this, see, a survey conducted at Hirakan Pranab, your absent work is complete. This is the day you went for. All, the entire work. Kritika? A survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency. Family size 1, 2, 3 members. Family size means 1, 2, 3 members are present in 7 families. Number of families is 7. This second column is always the frequency. How many times a particular entry is occurring. This is always the frequency. 3 to 5, 8 families. 5 to 7, 2 families. 7 to 9, 2 families. And 9 to 11, 1 family. You have to find the mod. Now this was ungrouped data, continuous frequency distribution. This one is the group data. ठीक है? इसमें कैसे पता चलेगा? इसका फॉर्मूला है L प्लस F1 माइनस F0. अब ये जो अपॉन है L के नीचे है. ऐसे भी बच्चे देखते हैं जब 10 सम्स करने के बाद भी वो ऐसे लाइन डालते हैं. जितने मर्जी सम्स करो, ये लाइन इसी के नीचे L सेपरेट, L के नीचे कोई लाइन नहीं. 2F1 माइनस F0 माइनस F2 इंटू H. L प्लस, बोलिए सब फॉर्मूला मॉड इज L प्लस F1 माइनस F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What do you mean by L? What do you mean by F1? What do you, please उधर ही रहो अभी 2 मिनट. Just wait. L, F1, what do you mean by F1, F0 and F2? जो मॉडल क्लास होती है, सबसे पहले हम क्या ढूंढते हैं? मॉडल क्लास. मॉडल क्लास इज द क्लास with maximum frequency. Model class is the class with maximum frequency. What is the maximum frequency here? What is the maximum frequency here? 8 is the maximum frequency. So this is the model class. जिस क्लास की सबसे ज्यादा frequency है उसको कहा जाता है model class. Correct? Model class. Whatever is the frequency of model class, that is called F1. So F1 is the frequency of model class. F0 is the frequency of class previous to model class. मॉडल क्लास आपने चूज कर ली. मॉडल क्लास कैसे चूज करेंगे? जिस क्लास की मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो हो गई मॉडल क्लास. उसी मॉडल क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी से जो प्रीवियस फ्रीक्वेंसी है, f0 इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ क्लास preceding model class preceding model class. f2 frequency of class following model class, succeeding model class. उसके बाद जो है model class के next. तो ये क्या हुई? f2. जो सबसे ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो मॉडल क्लास होगी. उस क्लास को बोलेंगे मॉडल क्लास. उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को भी कॉल f1 and the class previous to that would be called f0 and the class next to it will be called f2 and the class next to it will be called f1, f0, f1, f2. Now you have L is what? L is the lower limit. L is the lower limit of model class. बताइए इसमें लोअर लिमिट ऑफ मॉडल क्लास क्या होगी? This is L. This is the model class. इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को f1, उससे प्रीवियस फ्रीक्वेंसी को f0, उसकी नेक्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी को f2 and L lower limit. Now substitute the values. Lower limit is 3. What is f1? 8. What is f0? 7. What is 2f1? 2 into 8. What is f0? 7. What is f2? 2. H. What is width? What is the width? 2. Am I clear? What is the width? 2. 3 plus 8 minus 7 is 1. 16 minus 9 into 2. 2 by 7, 16 minus 9. 1 2s are 2, 16 minus 9. 2 by 7. 7 zeros are 0. 7 2s are 14. 7 8s are 56. Right? 0.28. So what is the mod of this table? Mod of these number of families, that is 3.28. Okay? This is the mod. I hope I am clear. Everyone knows what I am talking about. Now let's start exercise 13.2. The following table shows the ages of patients admitted. This is age in years and this is number of patients. Age 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. 6 patients, 11 patients, 21. 6 patients in the age group of 5 to 15, 11 patients in the age group of 15 to 25, 21 patients in the age group of 25 to 35, then 23 patients in the age group of 35 to 45, then 14 patients in the age group of 45 to 55, and 5 patients. And what are they asking you to find? Mod and mean. And compare and interpret. दोनों को compare किया जाए और interpret किया जाए. Mod and mean. Mod के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? Do you need any column of xi for mod? नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए mod के लिए तो. What do you need mod के लिए? Class with maximum frequency. Class with maximum frequency. ठीक है जी? What is the maximum frequency here? 20. So you will write this is what a. You have to mention this in your table. ये लिखना पड़ेगा. एक मॉडल क्लास कौन सी है उसके आगे लिखना पड़ेगा. Class with maximum frequency. Now Lakshya will tell me what is F1. Lakshya 23. Vaibhav will tell me what is F0.
21.
And Kanishk will tell me what is F2.
14.
14. Class with maximum frequency is called F1. Previous is called. This is F1. This is F0, and this is F2. Mod. Mean. Formula for mod. Bhavya.
L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2.
Excellent. Into H. H is the width of class. And if you have time, you should please write all this. लिखना चाहिए, ठीक है जी? L, what is the lower limit? 35. What is F1? 23. What is F0? 21. Then 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14. H. What is H? What is the width? 10. Am I clear? बोलिए. Now 35 plus 2. 46 minus 35 into 10. 35 plus 20 over 11. What is 20 over 11? 11 ones are 11. 11 eights are 88. 1.8. 35 plus 1.8 is what? This was age. Age. So what do we have to write here? Years. This was family size. Family size का थोड़ी यूनिट होता है, वो उतने members होते हैं बस. You don't have to write anything. This is years. Now for mean, what do you have to find for mean? The first column. बोलिए XI. L 5 plus 15 20. 20 over 2 10. Then 10 का width है 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Would you like to multiply these, or would you like to use step deviation or shortcut? Step deviation. Step deviation is UI xi minus e. This is what? Which method is this? और step deviation में तो over h भी होता है. di is xi minus a, ui is xi minus a over h. A is this. 10 minus 30 is what? Minus 20. Minus 20 over 10 is what? Minus 2. And the best part in this method is you don't have to calculate further. It just forms the number line. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now fi, ui. Don't multiply xi by ui by mistake. Take care, you have to multiply fi by ui. गलती से भी ये नहीं कि जो कॉलम दिखा कर दिया. 6 into minus 2. This is fi. Second column is always fi. So you have to multiply these two columns. 6 into minus 2, 11 into minus 1, 21 zeros are, 23 ones are, 14 twos are, and 5 threes are. Minus 23. And this is 16. 66 minus 23. 43. Correct? Now formula for mean. Wish, you tell me the formula for mean of step deviation method. A plus
summation fi ui upon summation fi into h.
H will come. जब di होता है, di का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? xi minus a और उसमें h नहीं आता. Am I clear? Arshi, are you able to see? A. What is A? 30. What is fi ui? 43. What is the sum of frequencies? 6, 7, 8, 11, 15, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it? 80? 17, 40, 40 and 48. Over into h is what? 10. So what is 43 by 8? What is 43 by 8? 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24. 8 7s are 56. 5.375. 30 point years. अब क्वेश्चन यहाँ खत्म नहीं होता, कुछ पूछा है उन्होंने. What have they asked? Compare मीडियन एज ज्यादा है या मॉडल एज ज्यादा है? कौन सी एज ज्यादा है? बोलिए. मॉडल एज. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मॉडल? मॉड को क्या बोलते हैं? मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली अकरिंग वैल्यू. दिस मीन्स यहाँ जो इंटरप्रिटेशन है, यहाँ क्या लिखना है? इंटरप्रेट द रिजल्ट. क्या मॉड हमेशा किस वर्ड से एसोसिएटेड है? मैक्सिमम. मैक्सिमम तो आप लिखेंगे मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स. मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स एडमिटेड इन द हॉस्पिटल. एडमिटेड इन द हॉस्पिटल आर ऑफ एज. Are of age how much? 36. मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स एडमिटेड इन द हॉस्पिटल आर ऑफ दिस एज. ये लाइन लिखनी होगी. इंटरप्रिटेशन का मतलब है मॉड वर्ड जो है उसके साथ आप क्या लिखेंगे, मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स एडमिटेड इन द हॉस्पिटल आर ऑफ दिस एज. देन व्हाट इज दिस मीन? ठीक है, वाइल ऑन एन एवरेज, while average age of a patient, average age of the patient admitted, average age of the patient admitted is how much? 35.375. Average age of the patient is 35.375. Clear है? ये हुआ maximum number of patients admitted और ये हुआ average age of the patients admitted. Am I clear? This is average age of the patients admitted in the hospital. Average age of the patient admitted in the hospital. Mean के साथ आप क्या word use करेंगे? Average. और mod के साथ maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of this age. समझ गए? Question number 2 में देखिए क्या पूछा है. What are they asking in question number 2? The following data gives the information of possessed lifetimes in years of electrical components. Determine the model. सिर्फ mod निकालना. ठीक है जी. थर्ड में मॉडल एंड मीन. ये ठीक. सो फॉर टुडे द वर्क इज फर्स्ट विच इज ऑलरेडी डन बाय मी, these 2 examples and these 2 questions. 5 things and then the worksheet of AP continues.